Look at that bad boy. Looks like fun. Thanks, bro. And if you're looking for a good spot to stop and grab some tacos, look at that bad boy. Sancho's. What's happening in Huntington today? Dog Beach. We call it the Cliffs. Always be careful, especially out here. There's no lifeguard normally. And you never turn your back on the ocean. Unless you're on a board getting pitted. Booah! Booah! Look at this guy, no leash. He's a people. Do, 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 do. That's still what he's thinking. Do, 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 dog. When they start to really speak English, I think they're gonna start out with just cussing. Every time they see one of their homies, frick you. It's an Irish setter. Top of the morning to you. I hear ya, but I don't want to see ya. I'm gonna eat ya. So this is the cliffs here. Check that out. Beautiful, huh? Some waves out here. No shape, little wally. If you're on this side of the cliffs, we call it flagpole, of course, because there's a flagpole. Just go check out the water. As you can see, it's Dog Beach. There will be dogs and there will be landmines. And there will be squirrels. Tons of them. Something building up over there. Super wally, close to the shore. The wind's pushing it over. It's a little windy. There's only one surfer out. It's not a surfing day, but it'd be a good chilling day. See all the little doggies out here?
Shaka for the red place.
And if you could see off in the distance there, you could see rubies. Nice little spot. Beautiful thing. See all the way out to Pedro. Thank you for coming over. Shaka for you, bro. Shaka. This here's the state beach. Love surfing here. I surfed that main tower we just passed. If you're gonna learn to surf, start there, simple, easy. You're most likely not gonna die. Jack in the Box. Right off Warner. Free parking. Cool little spot. Waves are chill. Little bumps. Wally bumps. There you go. There's our Huntington Beach run. Right down the street, Sunset. It gets fun. It's a great ride. Pretty chill.
Share for everyone and don't put no man bigger than no man because every man is just a man for you. Yeah.